Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Chirpley token. Now this token just got listed on CoinGecko just today. Ticker symbol is CHRP. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Chirpley token. So it's sitting at around 2 cents. Chirpley.ai is their official webpage. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would fund your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You'd go into the dApps, you would find PancakeSwap, and you would trade your BSC for the Chirpley token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, or you could find it on their BSC scan, which is also listed on CoinMarketCap, or you could find it on their official webpage. I'm actually looking through the through their BSC scan here. I actually don't even see PancakeSwap transfers. I'm on page 4 here. I'm looking through. I do see Dodo. If you guys are familiar with Dodo X, and it looks like ParaSwap as well, actually. So maybe not PancakeSwap. It looks like ParaSwap and Dodo for some reason are the go-tos on here, and not PancakeSwap. So I take that back. And actually, if you want to get this, it says 1 inch too as well. If you want to get this token off a central exchange, it is listed on Bybit. Now, I do have a Bybit referral code, I believe, on my homepage of my YouTube channel, or it could be in the description box down there. So those look like, it looks like Bybit is the main place to get this token, but it also has some ParaSwap and Dodo on here in their BSC scan. Yeah, not one PancakeSwap, which is, so I guess there is no pool on PancakeSwap. Strange, but whatevs, and it doesn't say PancakeSwap listed here on CoinGecko either. So yeah, never mind what I said about PancakeSwap. Looks like ParaSwap and Dodo. Dodo is actually a good exchange because it, if you go over there, it searches all the different dexes like PancakeSwap and all these other dexes for the best price, and then gives you the lowest price basically. So actually, most of the time, it is better to use DodoX than it is for PancakeSwap, because there might be an exchange where it's cheaper than PancakeSwap. But anyways, back to this. So total supply of this token is 1 billion tokens, 1,076 holders, 6,948 transfers, 18 decimal places. On their BSC scan, they have a white paper, Discord, LinkedIn, Telegram, GitHub, Facebook, Twitter, blog, and contact email, as well as their webpage, Chirpley AI. So if you go over to Chirpley AI, they have vision and mission, our platform, IDO, launch app, and staking. So you could stake on the page here. So it says, nano equals mega. Get in touch with your audience using micro and nano influencers. Target a relevant audience on socials. Easy connect with your platforms like TikTok, Reddit, Instagram, YouTube, Telegram, Twitter, Discord. Chirpley is the world's first automated peer-to-peer, all-in-one influencer marketplace specifically focused on nano and micro influencers. Chirpley will provide marketers with the freedom to act fast and effectively thanks to the possibility of a one-click marketing bomb. It's easy to join. We want to liberate the huge earning potential of micro-influencer marketing. It says, think bigger by enabling end-to-end automated, adaptive, data-driven micro-influencing campaigns through artificial intelligence and machine learning. Monetize your influence. Chirpley is the world's first automated peer-to-peer all-in-one influencer marketplace specifically focused on nano and micro influencers, ensuring the best engagement available. AI matching through artificial intelligence and machine learning, influencer and marketers will be paired to perfection. Matched like never before, tailored made as nowhere else, end-to-end automated campaigns are data-driven, constantly redefining and adapting to improve each reach and impact, lifting results and effectiveness to dizzying heights. Join Chirpley now, subscribe, and start earning today. And then they have a link to launch their application. They have media kits, team partners, token information, IDO, roadmap, swap, trade, more info, Gitbook, documents. So let's check out the roadmap here. The roadmap says they started in Q2 2021 with company creation, team onboarding, start development of Chirpley, smart contract creation. Then in Q3, we got wallet integration, onboard business advisors, product MVP, media production, video, audio, and print, onboard launch pads, community building activities. And in Q4 last year, smart contract audit, gather and optimize data, optimize ML scripts, kickstart growth marketing, SEA, SEO, and SEM, content marketing, Chirpley Marketplace V1 launch. Then Q1 this year, we got onboard major partnerships, VCs and KOLs, UI, UX development, AI, ML expansion. Q2 this year, we got Chirpley Marketplace V2 launch, pre-sale, onboard major launch pads, Tier 1 and Tier 2 central exchange listings, IDO, staking, and TGE, performance marketing. Q3 this year, we're going to have start global targeting, Discord integration, and integration of TikTok, Telegram, Instagram, and Facebook. Then Q4 coming up this year, we're going to have NFT release, major partnerships, Chirpley NFT event, and then next year, integration, freelance marketplace, kickstart, and stock NFT integration. So yeah, if you want to find more info, definitely check out their document section. Tokenomics, it says 8% goes to pre-seed, 2.5% seed, 2.7% private sale, 1.8% KOL and marketing, 10% public IDO, 10% ecosystem and dev, 8.5% treasury, 10% team, 15% marketing, 10% liquidity, 16% community incentives, 5.5% advisors and partners, and 1% goes to early adopters airdrop. So besides that, it says receive 50% discount on transactions when paying with the Chirpley token. So that's one of the utilities there. And yeah, that's about it. So check out their Gitbook and documents and media kits and their socials for more information. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Chirpley token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.